Ethereum cost examination. As indicated by our genuinely current Ethereum cost forecast, the worth of Ethereum will expanded by 237.13%, coming to $5,191.59 by end of 2025, which truly is very huge. All specialized markers especially show that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the apprehension and covetousness record is perusing 9.85, which especially implies intense trepidation. Our Ethereum estimate: it's unsafe to sell Ethereum at the present time, in spite of prevalent thinking. On Walk 9, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among Ethereum cost forecasts. See the specific Ethereum cost expectation beneath. You will sort of know the amount Ethereum is worth in the next few long stretches of time in every practical sense enormous way. Throughout the course of recent days, Ethereum by and large has diminished by 13.75%. Because of this, we can explicitly get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Ethereum expanded by 115.42% and came to approach around $3,095.20. As of now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and ravenousness list basically shows 9.85 intense feelings of dread, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per our conjecture, this especially isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Ethereum for the most part. Presently, Ethereum is exchanging beneath the 200 sort of basic moving normal. For the truly most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown an Ethereum selling signal. The cost of Ethereum sort of is presently running beneath the 50-day, for the most part basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell certainly signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will truly hit $1,430.33 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Ethereum's transient 50-day SMA shows a $1,614.01. The kind of relative strength list. RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in every practical sense, significant way. RSI is at present at Ercivalu. This shows that the ETH market is in an impartial position, which is very huge. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Ethereum came to $1,663.75 when it dipped under $1,194.56. Interestingly, since January 2021, which is very critical, as indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Ethereum truly is en route to passing the $3,151.09 mark before the current year's over. Before $3,151.09, it might break its sign of $4,891.70 and arrive at in every way that really matters, large way. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Ethereum will break its past all-time high of $4,891.70 and, for the most part, hold somewhere in the range of $3,067.46 and $3,151.09 soon. At this point, on 9 Walk 2023, Ethereum sort of is exchanging at $1,436.82, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 9.74 B, and it makes number 2 cash in the truly entire crypto world, which generally is very huge. Ethereum value forecast 2024. There is plausible that Ethereum can get through the $3,653.96 boundary and hold the market toward 2024 in an unpretentious manner's end. In every practical sense, least Ethereum cost will fundamentally be between $3,078.34 to $3,653.96, and the most probable Ethereum cost will be essentially consistent at around $3,488.55. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Ethereum's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its ecologically antagonistic energy use, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper essentially is adhering to his expectation that Ethereum will reach $3,653.96 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Ethereum value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists foresee that ETH will explicitly begin the year at $4,230.99 and exchange around $5,191.59. In spite of mainstream thinking, as indicated by their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Ethereum value expectation 2026 there in every practical sense is a genuinely decent possibility that Ethereum 2026 value expectation will kind of twofold in cost, yet it truly is likewise conceivable that it may not by and large arrive at its normal greatest $6,500.72 level. Or so they generally thought. Ethereum is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $6,367.61 or $6,500.72 in 2026, and it could generally be the time of Ethereum. Or so they thought. Ethereum value forecast 2027 Ethereum value expectation, or ETH, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it has the essentially potential to explicitly accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, Ethereum's cost in every practical sense is supposed to really outperform $6,500.72 in 2027. It explicitly has been anticipated that Ethereum will in a real sense arrive at the greatest cost of $6,500.72. And the sort of least cost is supposed to sort of be around $5,524.32 in the following along time from 2027, or so they thought. Ethereum estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that Ethereum value forecast and specialized examination, Ethereum really is supposed to cross a value level of $7,487.19 in 2028. In the meantime, Ethereum is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $6,823.94 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $7,852.11. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Ethereum value expectation and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of Ethereum will reach $10,678.06. And the cost of ETH ought to reach $10,678.06 before the year is over. What's more, ETH can generally reach up to $9,689.60 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will generally bring huge years for Ethereum development. ETH value expectation 2030 of every 2030. Ethereum value expectation for the most part are supposed to cross the $14,729.17 normal cost level, as indicated by Ethereum estimate and specialized examination. Toward the finish of 2030, Ethereum's exceptionally least cost is supposed to be $14,002.84. Moreover, ETH can arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value